Hi friends, welcome to Padma's Cook. Before going to video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. In today's video, I am going to make masala vada. So let's get started. To make this, soak 1 cup of chana dal for 5 to 7 hours. After it gets soaked, take a mixing jar and add the soaked chana dal. Add in few fennel seeds, 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, curry leaves. Add dry red chilies and grind it coarsely. This is how it looks. In this mixture, add in the chopped onions, chopped green chilies, chopped curry leaves, coriander leaves, and mint leaves. Also add in the chopped ginger, crushed garlic, few fennel seeds, pinch of asafoetida, salt to taste, and just give it a mix. Coat all the veggies properly with the mixture. And the mixture is ready. Let's fry it out. Heat the oil on high flame. Just take small portions of the mixture. Dab it into your palm. Make it into a cutlet shape. And just drop it into the oil. Fry these vadas on medium flame. Cook it on both sides. Fry it till it gets brown in color. Add in few curry leaves to enhance the flavor and aroma. All the vadas are fried. Let's take it out. And that's it. The super delicious masala vada is now ready. Definitely try this out. See you all guys in the next video. Bye bye.